Yo designers. Today we're going to have a look at Onshape and how we can insert an image to be able to have a base sketch for our name tag or anything you want to create using Onshape for some 3D printing. So like any document, create your document. The theme for this document is going to be a surfboard. That's okay. It's the same steps involved as starting any document. So we're going to be looking to create a sketch, and I'm going to select the top plane. Let's get the view looking down on it, and you're probably used to these icons here now. What we're looking for is that drop down there and insert image. Now, what I've already done through Google, in terms of finding the right image, a couple search tools that you can set. Okay, so in the tools section of images under Google, just setting to a line drawing and black and white. Some of these just means that it's easier to trace that, and they tend to be a nice top view. The one I ended up looking at was that one, and if you just click on the image, you can save the image as. I've already saved that into my downloads and called it surfboard. So if we go back to our Onshape, within here, then you want to go to import, and there's our surfboard there. We'll open that. It'll import it for us. Depending on what the file type is, I'm not sure whether there's restrictions on the file types. This is a JPG, so nice and easy. We'll click that one, and starting from the origin, and drag that out. Now it's hard to know what size and scale, so just have a guess there. And then we can easily define it more by going to the dimension tool. We'll just dimension that and go, let's look at 90 mil. When you've got your size there, you can zoom in to be able to see it all, press and pan. Now we're just going to be using the spline tool. This allows you to just basically trace around any shape, and the curve will adjust. So obviously, the more often you press it, the more accurate the shape is. Coming back, I'm just going to try to mirror where my nodes or my dots were for that one. The key thing is that at the very end, you have that shape complete. So it needs to be able to complete to do any sort of extrusion and have that look to it. So I've got my basic shape that I've used the spline tool to trace. Select check, and now because it's a closed shape, it'll allow us to extrude it. We'll set the extrusion to 4 mil, and you've got your base shape there that you can now put other sketches on top and add some text or some other design logos that you want. But those are the basic skills around within the sketch. Insert image, give it a dimension, and then using the spline tool or any of the other drawing tools to trace your image, make sure it's a full loop, and you're off and running with your extrusion. Thanks for watching my video. Have fun designing, and good luck. See ya.